Passion, fashion and emotion. First, client diagnose, that you really know what kind of client is in your chair. The second one is product knowledge. And the third one, the most important one, is time management, how you work in your salon on time. They want to do everything. And I always tell them, oh, go back. Because you know, they go from editorial, they go to being a colorist, they go to this, they go to that. And in 3 years, they burn out. And they're going to do something else. Maybe it's good for them to specialize. If you are an overall hairstylist, sometimes the focus on hair color, styling or cutting wise, it's very important to develop and to elevate their skills. Divide the work, so be sure that you have good people around you and separate your creativity with your management. Sometimes it's also good to say no, because a lot of people, when they do hair services and the client comes in with the phone and they say, I want this, you know, I learn my staff sometimes if they are not sure, or if the quality of the hair is not good, or if they are not sure about if the technique fits the client, then I always advise them also to say no. It's important to take breaks and have good holidays.